Hey guys, this is Briko and I'll show you how to make, and my mom will show you how to make some refrigerator cake. So,
yeah, the ingredients will be graham crackers, fruit cocktail, Del Monte fruit cocktail, we have condensed milk, and some cream. So you start with the graham crackers, lay it down on the bottom of the plate of your bowl, and once you have it on the bottom, you start putting some fruits. Mix Del Monte Fiesta fruit cocktail. There. How is it, Briko? Are you enjoying? Okay, so lay it down on the top of the graham crackers. Wow, this looks delicious. It has grapes, mangoes, pineapple. Okay, so once you've laid down the fruit cocktail, you pour in our cream. So open the cream. Drizzle it on top of the fruit cocktail. Oops. And then followed by your cream. Let me get some spatula. There you go. So you're gonna pour in some.
Don't upload that on YouTube.
You're just kidding, Pop.
Drizzle it, not too much. So if you have like 1 teaspoon of cream, you have to put 1/2 teaspoon of cream of condensed milk so that it won't be so sweet. Won't be too sweet. Okay. Now that you're finished with the cream and the milk, condensed milk, you're gonna put another layer of the graham cracker. Hi to my fans from Iloilo and Pampanga. Okay, this looks yummy. I'm so excited to taste this. And then another. There, just repeat everything. So put fruits again. Papa's so funny.
Like in the Amazing World of Gumball, their dad is so funny.
Yeah, he's the best. There you go. Some more. I think we can make another layer. Okay. Now, pour in some cream again. Okay, and then the milk. Condensed milk. I like using Milkmaid. It's not so sweet, just not so sour. There you go. Wow, this looks yummy. Now, put another layer of the graham crackers.
Just repeat everything.
Just repeat everything. That's simple. So there you go.
Where's the rectangle?
Another layer.
There's a Look, I saw a rectangle. It's that one.
And another layer of the fruit cocktail. Del Monte fruit cocktail.
Almost done.
Yeah. Just do everything and that's it. This is Mom, Cookie Mom.
Wait.
You want me to finish it, Pa?
Yeah.
Let me finish this.
And there.
And let's finish up all the all-purpose cream. This is just
Simple.
simple and very easy to prepare, and all the ingredients can be bought from your regular
Cherry.
supermarket.
Yeah.
And for this case, we bought it from Cherry Foodorama. Drizzle.
The last one is that one again.
That's it.
And then the last one, and then put it on the fridge, right?
After this, we're gonna put it on the refrigerator.
But first, put another layer of that
The
crap.
last part will be the gravy. Just to seal it off.
Wait.
There you go. You're done. This is our finished product.
And then there.
There. This is our finished product. We're
And
gonna
then
put it
now,
on the refrigerator because we want this cold when served.
yeah. No, right. I'm not gonna end the video pa.
That's it. Wait. Let me get it. Okay. That's it.
So that's how you make a refrigerator cake. So see you later. So I will post more of my baking videos.